So we got here another unboxing video. Went with a different hobby shop other than Otter Valley. Paid a bit more, but I just couldn't stomach Otter Valley anymore and screwed up orders. So if you haven't had an opportunity, check out that hobby shop right there, Credit Valley Railway, Mississauga, Ontario. Hopefully they got the order right. Anyways, the box says there's 6 pieces, and there should be 6 pieces in here. Hopefully they're all the right pieces. So check it out. I can get these out of here. Talk about a tight fit. Jeez. There they are. We got 3 bi-level GO Transit commuter cars. So we got the coaches there, all different numbered. It's all good. Put this to the side. And there should be another one in here. Yep. Again, packed this so incredibly tight. I almost have to break the box to get it out. Oh, there we go. Wow. There's the second package. Yep, they got this correct. Good. There's the cab car and the coaches. So I got the set A and set B, or set 1 or set 2, whatever you want to call it. So I got both sets. So let's take them out of their packaging now and have a look at them. Okay, so I just opened up the one end here. Thought I'd pull it out. Hopefully no pieces fall off. You never know with this company. Oh goodness. Rapido trains, I just don't get the message, eh? Like, what's with all that garbage? God. Like, no one's gonna look at this stuff. Like, what's with the stickers? You know, if I was the sticker company, I would be laughing at Rapido Trains for actually going ahead and making that purchase. Like, the sticker company must be laughing to the bank. Here's Rapido giving away their stickers. No one wants them. Whatever. Put that to the side. All that garbage. More garbage. All these inserts. More importantly is the clamshell, right? DC only plug. Okay. I see. Some bits and bobs, and I see. DCC only plug. And moment of truth. See if any pieces fall off. So far, so good. Anyways, I'm just honoring my last remaining orders with Rapido, and I think that's the end of the relationship with Rapido. Just too many problems. So paying too much money, and the quality's just not there anymore, and they're just pumping out product. So to me, it's a different company, right? They're kind of like the Athearn or Canadian Athearn. So it is what it is. And even if it's a nice, new, shiny plastic model and something never before released, I think I'm going to have to wait for it to show up at the train shows, because I'm not paying a premium to have it fall apart when I get home or not work. So I'll wait for it on the secondary market, eBay or otherwise, but I'm done paying premium dollars for, you know, crap. that F59 was garbage. It still is garbage. So despite, you know, the fact that they say they fixed it, I still say it's a piece of crap. Okay, so just for a side-by-side comparison, here I'll zoom in. Sorry about that. We got the Athearn car versus the Rapido Trains car. Well, I can tell you just by holding it that Rapido Trains is in fact lighter, and you know, it looks pretty sharp. I'm not going to deny Rapido Trains there, you know, but there's nothing terribly wrong with the Athearn either, right? So on a layout, you'll never notice a difference, not from far away anyway. And you know, the roof will yellow in time as well. I'm sure when this came out it was just as white as this one. So again, was it worth it? Hopefully these run a lot better than the Athearn. That's the only reason I got them, was because the Athearn are notorious for coming off the track. Unless you're going slow, you know, you can't really pull a whole lot of these without them jumping the tracks. So hopefully these the Rapidos are somewhat better. Anyways, we'll see what they're like on the layout. Ah, but wait, there's more. Of course there always is. I can't exactly run these today, just for the fact I'm ballasting some track, but I can certainly do a side-by-side comparison. So if you guessed this one is the Athearn, you are correct. This one's the Rapido. So, you know, looking at things, yeah, Rapido's got a few extra little details from, you know, the light arrangement, you know, the door assembly. It looks a little bit different, a little bit better perhaps. But, you know, Athearn's no slouch either. One thing I noticed with the Athearn though, it's got these painted bits and bobs right here, these receptacles, whereas the Rapido does not. I wonder if that just has to do with the particular era. You know, is Athearn modeling something a little bit later than Rapido. So, and there's some details on the roof as well, which Rapido got pretty good from the fan assembly. It's just molded for the Athearn. So yeah, it looks pretty sharp, Rapidos, but you know, just as difficult as the Athearn to put on the track, I have to admit. Does it move any better on the track compared to the Athearn? Hey, a little bit. The big thing is it's lighter. Hopefully when I'm done ballasting, you know, I'll be able to do some real push-pull operations with the Rapido cars that I couldn't do with the Athearn. So all in all, you know, it's a nice car. You know, it's got a lot of you know, pretty good looking details. You know, I think they did a better job, Rapido, than Athearn with the doors. You know, so we got a real walkway there. You compare it over to the Athearn, and that walkway detail is just not there. You know, we got other details for the engineer cab, like the little mirror here. Just don't see that on the Athearn. So there's a few details here and there that Rapido picked up on that Athearn did not. Here's the Athearn. Again, both very good looking models. Alright, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.